RFK Jr.'s vision for public health, necessary reforms. I want to share my vision of RFK Jr.'s possible role as Secretary of Health and Human Services, HHS. He proposes bold goals, fighting corruption, basing decisions on scientific evidence, and ending chronic disease. A monumental but crucial challenge for the future of public health. It's no surprise that these ideas are facing resistance from big industries such as food, chemicals, and pharmaceuticals. For example, the claim that there is no proof that ultra-processed foods cause chronic diseases is simply absurd. Ignoring the effects of decades of consumption of these products is baffling. Meanwhile, healthcare costs in the US reach $4.1 trillion a year, but the health of the population remains among the worst in the world. This needs to change, and here are some ideas to start that transformation. 1. Reforming institutional food hospitals, schools, prisons, and nursing homes often offer inferior quality food, ultra-processed, rich in refined starches and bad fats. This diet directly harms the health of patients and residents. Experiments show that simple improvements, such as eliminating refined sugars, seed oils, and processed carbohydrates, can generate rapid and significant health benefits. However, regulations and bureaucracy make change difficult, creating barriers that need to be overcome. 2. Redirect agricultural subsidies. A large part of government subsidies go towards growing corn, soy, and other basic junk food ingredients. This perpetuates a cycle where cheap, unhealthy products dominate supermarket shelves, while more nutritious foods remain expensive and inaccessible. Redirecting subsidies to small farmers and sustainable production, such as meat and dairy from grass-fed animals, could revolutionize the American diet and reduce health costs in the long run. 3. Review the GRAS system. The generally recognized as safe GRAS status allows companies to self-certify the safety of their ingredients, a clear conflict of interest. Toxic ingredients such as lead and DDT have been deemed safe in the past. We need independent studies to guarantee food safety and protect consumers. 4. Smart food fortification. Current food fortification often uses synthetic substances such as folic acid and problematic types of iron, which can cause harm to part of the population. Switching to more bioavailable forms of these nutrients, such as natural folate, could prevent mass health problems. 5. Transparency and limits in the pharmaceutical sector. The current system allows pharmaceutical companies and universities to profit significantly from medicines funded by public taxes, often without transparency. In addition, the revolving door between the FDA and large corporations needs to end. Regulators should not work for the industries they are supposed to oversee. 6. Education and nutrition reforms. The junk food industry directly influences the training of dietitians and health professionals by sponsoring events and educational materials. This creates a vicious cycle where commercial interest prevails over public health. We need more independent, science-based food education. 7. Tackling fear of the sun and vitamin D. Deficiency current vitamin D intake guidelines are inadequate to prevent diseases other than bone problems. Studies indicate that much higher doses, around 8,000 IU daily, are needed to support the immune system, improve sleep, and reduce the risk of various chronic diseases. Promoting access to sunshine and effective supplementation could be an affordable solution with massive impact. These are a few suggestions to start reforming the healthcare system, promoting a more preventive and quality of life-based approach. What do you think? What other changes could transform public health for the better? Let's debate and seek a healthier future together.